Hello and welcome everyone. This is your friend Himal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux 2022.3 on VirtualBox. So before going to the process, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. So now let's start the process right away. To install the Kali Linux in VirtualBox, you need to download the exe file of the VirtualBox and you need to install it on your system. So just search for the VirtualBox and click on download link, and you can see VirtualBox 6.1 platform packages. So we are going to install the VirtualBox on Windows, so just click the Windows host and click on download. So after downloading the VirtualBox, you need to download the Kali Linux for the VirtualBox. So there is a specific file to download. So just go to the kali.org and click the download option. And down here you can see the virtual machines option. So just click on that. So you can see here there are two options, one for the VMware and one for the VirtualBox. So in this video I'm going to install it on the VirtualBox. So I'm going to download the VirtualBox version. So you can choose the architecture 32-bit or 64-bit as per your requirement. So just click on download. So now after downloading the exe file of the VirtualBox and the Kali Linux, so here we go. So these are the two files which we just downloaded. Now you have to install the VirtualBox on your system. So run the exe file as the administrator. Click on next and install it. Now after installing the VirtualBox, you need to extract that file which we downloaded for the VirtualBox. So here we go. It may take a while. After that file is extracted, you need to open that extracted file, and you can see this. There are two Kali Linux 2022.3 VirtualBox images. So you need to right click on VirtualBox machine image and open it with VirtualBox manager. So here we go. The Kali Linux is successfully set up in the VirtualBox. So you can change the settings as per your requirement. These are all the default settings which is made by the VirtualBox itself. So you can change other settings like the RAM you wanted to allocate, or the processor. You can just increase it as per your requirement. So I'm just going to leave everything as it is. I'm just going to show you a simple installation of the Kali Linux and VirtualBox. So after importing this file inside the VirtualBox, I'm just going to click on start. So the default username and password for the Kali Linux is Kali. Just type that and click on sign in. So you can just view it on full screen like this. So in this way you can install the Kali Linux and VirtualBox. So thanks for watching. I'll make such video if you like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.